Hi, it's AI Lisa here. Welcome back to Ask the Instructor presented by Campus Mortgage. Today's question is, when processing a jumbo loan, there were repairs required and updates needed to the initial appraisal. What form should the processor be looking for to reflect the changes? Here is what our mortgage instructor has to say. The Fannie Mae 1004D or Freddie Mac 442 are used for appraisal updates or proof of repair completion. Keep in mind, repair photos must be supplied as well. Furthermore, substitute appraiser is allowed to perform the update in certain circumstances. This concludes our 1-minute video. If you like this video, please help us by clicking the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. And remember, at Campus Mortgage, we offer a variety of comprehensive mortgage training and certification programs. To learn how we can help jumpstart your mortgage career, simply download our course catalog at campusmortgage.org. Thank you, and make it a great day.